4 years back, when this
No.
particular person
But
was
they have maybe
brought
complete.
into High
We
Court,
have more serious.
Lord, he was responsible for selling of babies. The matter is pending before the
No,
High Court.
this is unfair. This is unfair.
But it's not unfair.
Just one second.
I don't know from all these
Just
remarks.
one second.
Actually.
Let CJI investigate.
You can't
Who are you?
make
Who-
1 second.
No, I have the order sheet.
Just one.
Where
But-
DNA
Who
was
is he?
conducted.
1 second.
represent?
Just listen to us. You can't just throw an allegation like
Yes.
that across the bar.
Responsible.
On the next date of listing, you show us something to indicate.
No,
that
I'll
it's
show
a-
the orders where the DNA was conducted
right?
by the High
You can
Court.
Put it on the record,
I'll put it on record.
You can't just, otherwise
4
we have
years
to,
that-
we have to follow some order
Yes,
and
yes, I'll
procedure
put
in
it
the
on record.
court.
I'll put it on
Put it on the
record.
record. Yeah, we'll immediately ask them to replace the
But
order.
he should also tell us what is his locus, from where he is getting
I mean,
information.
But my argument, it was.
All right, look, you put it on the record.
I'll put
that's
it-
it.
And which party does he represent?
I have a submission.
Because may I have a very important request to make?
Correctly.
My learned friend said that all doctors have joined, but they have joined, but only they are performing emergency
Oh,
work.
just a minute, below, this is
They
a
are-
false
one more-
statement. It's a false statement
All
and
right.
they've admitted it in their affidavit. Below,
Very
Ms. Indira Jaising.
Yes.
Senior counsel appearing on behalf of the resident doctors has made a solemn statement that pursuant to the hearing which took place in court on the last occasion, all doctors have rejoined their duties.
below, the word, the expression that I've used,
Responding to the statement of Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi.
They are not doing IPD and
one
OPD.
second,
That learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, that the doctors are not performing
IPD
the
and OPD.
IPD and OPD duties, Ms. Jaising assures the court that the doctors are performing all duties without exception.
including all essentials and emergency services, that may be recorded.
All
No,
duties.
not because there's a dispute over the expression. The essential services are being performed.
You're not performing only essential services, right? You're performing all duties, we take it from you. You're
And they've admitted it in their own affidavit.
You're performing
No,
all
we
duties.
have said not IPD, OPD.
Look, this is part of the threat
Anyway, Minister,
culture.
I'm not accusing, but I'm only
This is
praying with
part of
folded
the
hands. to
civilization
the
of the
doctors
doctors,
to join.
not.
So therefore, we have recorded your statement
It's
that
a
you are
puja.
performing all duties. So now abide by the statement.
These
And-
duties are
second-
performed by the senior doctors.
Now, Milord, one,
Manoj, they've admitted it in the affidavit that the junior doctors have rejoined. So
No,
where is the?
Where is this? Please show us the
No,
page.
they
What
have.
Para number?
you know it,
Now
to
that
your
we-
knowledge, they have rejoined, to your knowledge.
Senior doctors.
Please show us.
Words kindly be seen, Manoj. What we have said.
Ready, that they are doing all
So
work.
they are not doing so.
Yeah.
Milord, please, this cannot be allowed. Let him file a separate application for it.
Para 17.
Affidavit.
Ms. Jaising, are you making a statement that you are performing IPD and OPD work?
Yes, here's my statement. Please record it as I say it. They are performing all essential and emergency
What is
services.
essential? not
Let
essential?
me finish.
Who will decide?
Essential services includes OPD. Essential
No, not
services
like-
do. 1 minute, Milord, they should know better than me. They're
Junior doctors
doctors.
are very important for
They
the
should
health
know better
system.
than me.
Hospitals
If
cannot.
according to you, you are performing all essential services.
Yes,
We record your statement which
That's right.
includes IPD and OPD,
OPD is part of essential services.
right?
It's,
Likewise,
I
inpatient
want it
department
on
also.
record, Milord. I want it on record that they are performing emergency and essential services. That's the medical name. Milord, it's the medical name given to this service.
But will that mean that you will not render services to a child who comes in with a normal ailment during the term of the weather, but you will try and save
No.
the dying patient?
No, Milord,
Yeah.
no, OPD
You are
falls
supposed to
within
give
essential
Work
services.
in the hospital, which any
OPD
doctor.
falls within
Your
essential
lordship may say
services.
all
Not-
essential services including
Yes, sir.
IPD, OPD.
It's not the way they have admitted that we are back at work.
No,
If
we
you
have not.
continue like this,
The main-
I will take no responsibility for one more
But
strike.
therefore, 1 second, are you stating that you are performing all medical and essential work, including IPD and OPD work?
Because it's part of essential service. No, my lord, your lordship may record that. I don't want confusion.
But Ms. Indira
I don't want to
has
make any false
categorically-
statements in this
has
court.
Categorically stated that all the doctors are and shall perform all medical and essential work, including
PD.
IPD and OPD work.
Yes, I'm grateful.
My lords, in all of this, there have been 2 attacks. On the 27th
Yes.
of September in Shagor Dotto Medical College Hospital, there was an assault when the mob entered and the police and the non-state security personnel, the Ratire Shati said, that they are doubling down on, stood back. So, my lords, there is
Nobody
a second
stood back.
attack that happened yesterday.
My
My lords, if I may just.
That you are investigating. This is not a general investigation onto what is happening on issues of law and order in every hospital.
Yes.
But we take it that you are taking action in accordance with.
We have filed
Can
FIR.
have been
My lords,
registered
in this
FIR
regard,
because
action
the-
is not
the
being
two
taken.
versions are that a patient died because, my lord, he was not provided bed. He was critical. No doctor attended.
No,
Only
my lords,
the-
these
it's false.
allegations cannot be
But
made,
there
my
is-
lord.
there are-
These allegations cannot be made, my
But surely we can't decide them on the level of the volume of the voice. He'll have to decide it if it all after records come before us.
Exactly, my lords.
Yeah.
There are no records.
There's an assertion by the state, we're denying it.
We have put
Yeah,
it on
Lord.
record, let them
Every-
reply.
every
The Lordship
newspaper
is still
carries it.
physically away,
Fine,
but I'm
fine.
the nearest proximity.
No, I'm the nearest.
There are,
All right,
Just a minute.
Your Lordships, may I?
all right.
Just one
Mr. Solicitor, when will you give us the report on the status of the
Whenever
investigation?
Lordship next,
We'll take it up on the Monday after the mini break of the court. So that will give you almost 10 days time to investigate. Or
can
14.
it be Tuesday?
Your Lordship,
May I
you just hear me for a
On
second.
15th, my lord.
The nature of the pictures, I've taken those back.
Your
No,
Lordship,
One second. Is it in relation to the state of West Bengal and the RG Kaur
Your
hospital?
Lordship, this is very.
One second. Yes or no?
No.
Then that is the end of the matter. Sorry. No.
Your Lordship,
not a word,
So, no, sorry.
not a word of clarification that the High Court can proceed with the other petitions, my lord, which are outside the remit of what your lordships are supervising.
Obviously, we are not.
No, but
If we-
that's it, last time they said it's before
Jaitlani,
the
if we
Supreme Court.
wanted the High Court to stay its hand, we would have indicated that right away.
So, my lord,
We didn't. It's a
can we have a specific?
There are issues of moment which we are considering. There are issues which are best left to be handled at a local level by the division
Exactly,
bench.
my lord. Therefore, my lord, just.
But they also know that issues which we are dealing with, they will not touch.
My lord,
Other matters
last,
they can-
last time they had a difficulty. I was personally appearing in the matter in the Calcutta High Court.
What was the issue?
The difficulty was, is this also, you know, the case was about the police commissioner's statement immediately on the morning of, as he exited from the hospital, giving an interview disclosing the victim's name.
Somebody will have to file a writ petition. with
Yes,
that.
my lord, we filed a writ petition to the High Court.
Have we stayed the hearing of that writ petition? We have not, have we transferred that writ petition?
No,
to
the
us
lordships
as-
haven't. But a word of clarification, the difficulty.
Jaitlani,
Yes.
Mr. Dwivedi,
My lord,
if there's a writ petition dealing with the police commissioner's conduct, we are not staying the proceedings before the High Court at all.
It can
So
go
please,
on there.
neither side should tell the court that, well, we are seized of that matter. We are very clear that the writ petition which has been filed,
But will your lordship say that anything outside the remit of what has been said?
It's not required to be said.
the High Court is seasoned enough to know what
But
not
last
to
time-
enter upon.
Last time we said that they were not going into.